All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on lesson 3, the circuit playground, level 8. So these are your practice levels before you take the assessment. I've already done all of them, but we're going to go through and just look at each of them. So let's start with A. All right, alarm clock. I'm going to start over with so we can do it together. All right. So alarm clock. We can simulate an alarm clock with these lights and music. Do this. Note, you can click the instructions below to expand them and see more specific instructions. So we're going to click on the first one. All right, when the on button is pressed, blink the LED and make a sound. Use LED blink and buzzer frequency blocks to turn on the alarm. All right, we're going to go to circuit. So LED blink and buzzer frequency. All right. And then when the off button is pressed, turn off the LED. So we're going to turn off everything. All right, let's see how that's yeah, let's see how that sounds. Here we go. We're going to click on run. So on. All right, you can see the LED light is actually flashing, and I did hear a buzz. Um, and then if we click off, yep, the LED light stops flashing. I'm going to make this 5,000 because that's 5 seconds straight. All right, that's definitely going to wake somebody up. Here we go. So we're going to reset it. We're going to run it. I'm going to press on. All right, and then off. Okay. And I know that you guys can hear high pitch, but you can't hear low pitch. So I'm going to bring this all the way up to high pitch. And let's see if you guys can hear it. So we're going to reset it one more time. We're going to run it. Here we go. All right, that's on. Okay, and then off, and the light goes off. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to click the orange finish button, and I will see you on the next activity. Actually, no, I won't. I'm just going to keep going. All right, so B, debugging. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm going to go to version history and going to start over. Okay, so make the mouse, or click the mouse to make it squeak. Debugging, something's not quite right. Read the code and see if you can fix it. All right, do this. What I expected to happen, the buzzer makes a high-pitched sound for a short amount of time. What happened instead, the buzzer makes a low-pitched sound for a long amount of time. So I think these two things need to be switched. So it says on event, mouse button, click, click. So when you click on the mouse, the buzzer.frequency. So this is the frequency and this is the duration. So we want a high-pitched sound for a short amount of time. Let's go ahead and flip these. We're going to do 800 here and 200 here. All right. And there is some nice comments on where the image came from. So we're going to click on run. And let's see if we made it work. Yep. So I'm just clicking the mouse. And every time I click it, we hear a little noise. All right. We're going to click the orange finish button. Let's go on to the next activity. More debugging. I actually like to debug. It's kind of like solving a jigsaw puzzle. So we're going to go back to version history. We're going to start over. All right. So debugging. Something's not quite right. Read the code and see if you can fix it. Do this. What I expected to happen. Pressing the on button turns the LED on, and pressing the off button turns the LED off. What happened instead, the opposite. Pressing the on button turns the LED off, and pressing the off button turns the LED on. So we can solve this one of two ways. The first way we can solve it is, looking at these buttons, light off, so that's correct, and light on, that's correct. But over here, we have LED on is with the light off button. So the first way we could solve it is to change this. So now it says light on button, LED on, and then light off. We're going to change that to light off button, LED off. The other way you could have done it is you could have swapped these two. All right. So let's run it and see if it works. So light on. All right, we can see that the light is on now. Light off, and it's off. All right, we've done what we needed to do. Let's go to the next activity. So buzzer buttons. Okay, I remember this. All right. Version history, start over. Okay. So with this one, buzzer frequencies. Create an app that plays the buzzer at the frequency listed on each button. Do this. Add a buzzer.frequency block to each on event to play the buzzer for half a second at the listed frequency. For example, the 100 button should play at a frequency of 100 for half a second. Okay, so let's go to circuit and buzzer frequency. Let's put the first one in. So this is 100. All right, so we're going to play at 100 for half a second, which would be 500. All right, we're going to go to this one. So 200. So we're going to play 200 for half a second. All right, 300, same thing. We're going to put the buzzer in. We're going to set it to 300 for half a second. And if you guys remember, half a second is 500 because one full second is 1,000. So on event 400 button, this is going to be 400 for half a second. So that's going to be 500. Line 25, 500 button. All right, so frequency is going to be 500 and duration is going to be 500. All right, 600 button, same thing. We're going to do frequency 600 and duration is 500. 700 button. All right, that's going to be 700 frequency and 500 duration. All right, we're almost there. 800, so 800 frequency and 500 duration. And then last but not least, 900 frequency and 500 duration. All right, so if I did this correctly, let's run it and see. So I'm going to start at 100, and you won't hear it, but as I get higher, you'll start to hear it because the mic will pick it up. So let's just see if this works. All right, low. Okay. 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 All right. 700. Okay. Okay. All right. So all of them worked, and they worked at higher intervals each time, so that makes sense. I'm interested to see at what point did the mic pick up the sound. But we're done with this activity, so we're going to move on to the next. Press continue. And last but not least, blinker speed. Okay, so going to come in here, set the version, start over. All right. And what do we have? It says blinker speed. Create an app that blinks the LED at the timings listed on each button. So 4 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, half a second, quarter of a second, 100 milliseconds. Okay. Now, if you remember, the duration is in milliseconds. So 1,000 milliseconds equals 1 second. All right, so let's see. Add the LED blink block to each on event to have the buzzer blink for the timings listed on each button. All right, so LED blink, 4 seconds. So 4 seconds would be 4,000 milliseconds. All right, next we have LED blink. All right, 2 seconds would be 2,000 milliseconds. All right, LED blink. 1 second would be 1,000 milliseconds. Half a second, that would be half of 1,000, so that would be 500. Oop. And then quarter of a second would be 250. Yes. So we're at 250. And then 100 milliseconds would be 100. Okay. So let's see if I did this right. So this one, we're going to see what happens on the circuit board. Let's click run. So, all right, 100 milliseconds. That's pretty fast. All right, slowing down a little bit. Half a second. 1 second. And 4 seconds. All right, so I think we've got all these figured out. Yep. All right. So we got all these figured out. We're going to click on the finish button. That means that we're finished on all of our activities, and this is all the practice before we jump into the assessment. So I will see you on level 9. Here we go.